Okay, come to a Mazda 3. This is 1106, and what a difficult key combination this one was. Absolutely crazy to pick, absolutely crazy. Locked, unlocked. One of the most difficult combinations I've had to pick. Car's running. It's been sitting here for about a month. Put it on charge. All good. Lock. Unlock. Try the key. Even with WD-40, it was really difficult to actually pick it. So that's it. All keys lost. Mazda 3, all done. And of course it's raining today too. Cheers, thanks for watching.